Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log in with Home Depot affiliate program for DIY referral traffic, full guide step by step clearly. To start, open your web browser and navigate to the Home Depot affiliate program website. Once there, locate the Join Now or Sign In button on the home page. If you are a new user, click on Join Now to create an account. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and password. Make sure to read the terms and conditions carefully before agreeing. After agreeing, click on the Create Account button to proceed. If you already have an account, click on Sign In and enter your email address and password. Once logged in, you will access your affiliate dashboard. Here, you can find marketing tools, banner ads, and links for promoting products. To generate your referral link, navigate to the Product section of the Home Depot website. Select the product you want to promote and copy its URL. Return to your affiliate dashboard and look for the Link Generator tool. Paste the copied URL into the tool and customize it if necessary. Hit the Generate Link button to create your unique affiliate link. Next, you can use this link in your blog, website, or social media. Make sure to track your clicks and commissions through the dashboard. Regularly check your dashboard for performance insights and adjust your strategies as needed. This concludes the login process and initial setup for the Home Depot affiliate program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.